Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here comes a new video about the HP external portable DVD writer. So here you can see in the name itself you can see HP USB external DVD writer drive, and surprisingly this is being shipped from China, and we have sanitized and we are unboxing the video. As you can see here, it's been shipped from uh, India only, from Bangalore, and the manufacturer is China. So here, let's unbox, and here you can see the DVD writer inside the box. So here is the USB connector which we received, and here are the manuals and booklet. And next, here comes the DVD writer, and there is no other accessories, but we can see the clip. I don't know what's the use of that. And here you can see the manuals where it guides you how to use the DVD writer and all information about the DVD writer, and also the other notes. And let's keep it aside, and here you can see that we have got the cable. So let's open the cable wrapper, and it's premium and the quality is super, I can say. And here it has the old USB port to connect to the DVD writer. And here let's unwrap it. So let's keep these things aside, and this looks premium and has a shining look with glassy look as well. And this is the power on and off button where you can just use it. And here you can see everything, details, model number, port and all. So HP written on the box. Here comes the USB port. Let's connect it, and let me show you how you need to connect. So once you connect it, you can connect to any of the USB device. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.